happening, circuit heads? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see here, we are doing our first mukbang. So I got some Chinese food here. We got, sorry you guys, I got small puppies all over me down here. They like to do whatever they want and bother me. But we got some egg drop soup. We got sesame chicken, some pork egg rolls. I got lo mein fried rice. Some, what did I get? I got teriyaki chicken, hot and spicy jalapeno chicken. Of course, I got my sweet and sour sauce. Got my water. I got some eggnog. I don't know about you guys, but I love me some eggnog. It's amazing. And yeah, you guys, so let's dig in. Please stop licking me. Please stop licking me. Thank you. So, I'm super sorry I haven't been posting lately. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on baking. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and click the link above to check it out. This is really good. We go to a place that's kind of like a dollar scoop, but it's not exactly a dollar scoop. It's a little bit more expensive. They have amazing food. It's very authentic, as authentic as you can get with American style Chinese food. Sorry, you guys. I don't really like to talk with my mouth full. And I apologize for the shadow behind me. I'm working on getting a light. That way we have better lighting and everything. So look forward to that soon. But hopefully you guys will be in a video every day. I'm going to be doing that yoga challenge here in a couple days. This is really, really good, you guys. Like, really good.
He just took yours?
Will you give Rara one too, please? So, when it comes to soup, you guys, I don't like a lot of soup. Egg drop soup, though, is amazing. And my dad was the first one that showed it to me. And we were, I don't remember if we were at a restaurant or what, but I remember I watched him like drop an actual egg in it. And I was so confused. I was like, why would you put an egg in your soup? Like, how does that make sense? And then he told me it's egg drop soup. And I'm like, okay, I don't think that makes any sense. Still, I was little, so I didn't understand. Sorry, the dog just got a treat, so I have to make sure all of them keep to their own treat. But this is really, really good, you guys. It is delicious. But I got a new job, you guys, so that's kind of partially why I haven't been posting lately. Also, I've just been kind of lazy. Really? Royalty, you were right by there. Like, right next to it. CJ, keep to your own treat. Stell, keep to your treat. Everybody keep to their own treat. Eeyore. Sorry, you guys, like I said. A lot of dogs. They all like to mess with each other and take each other's things. Most of them are siblings. Or at least the ones I have down here are siblings. So yeah. Hey! Everybody leave Moon alone with his treat. Eeyore! Keep to your treat. Sorry. But I've been kind of lazy. I'm a lazy person by nature, you guys. In case nobody realized that yet, I'm lazy. I'm super duper lazy. So the place that I got the Chinese from, Moon. Moon? No. Moon! Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, so, anyways, it's really hard for me to do a mukbang just because my parents taught me not to talk with food in my mouth. So I feel really weird talking with food in my mouth right now, you guys. But the Chinese place that we got the Chinese from today is one of the only places I eat Chinese food from. Because I don't like Chinese food. It's not, like, I have to be in the mood for it to actually eat it. Other than that, I don't eat it. Hold on, you guys. Sorry, you guys. I ran out of space. I had to go back and delete a couple things. But like I was saying, I really don't like Chinese food. So there's only a couple places I actually eat it from. Panda Express sometimes. Hey! Do you mind? I'm recording. Be nice to each other. Stop trying to take each other's treats. Eeyore, let your sister eat her treat. Stell, get your treat, baby. It's okay. Eat your treat. But, yeah. So, I don't really eat it. I don't know why I don't like it all that much. I just don't. But this place has amazing Chinese food, so when I be in the mood for it, this is where I get it. And all this food only cost like 18 bucks, so it wasn't that bad. I'm also kind of weird in the fact that I don't really like egg rolls. I will not eat just veggie egg rolls. I don't like bean sprouts. So, that's why I got the pork ones. And I know some people are like, oh, you don't know if that's real meat in there. Listen, I don't know if any of the stuff I eat is real. I don't kill the animal. I don't chop it up. I don't do none of that stuff. I just assume that's what they're feeding me. Whoa. I may not know what I'm eating right here. Or maybe, who knows? Maybe I am eating rat. Or dog. Or whatever. Cat. I don't fucking know. But I assume that this is chicken, that's chicken, that's chicken, that's chicken. And that's pork. Why? Because I like people. Kind of. And I try to assume the best out of people. So, no, Mr. Moon. Let her figure it out. Princess? That's what I do, though, you guys. I think all the boys stole all the girls' treats. So, give me just a sec. I'll be right back. Oh, I'm such a fat child. Oh, I'm so fat. Oh, this hurts. Ow. Excuse me. Did you steal everybody's treats? Eeyore. Can't steal everyone's treat. This is Eeyore's treat. Eeyore, take Eeyore's treat. everybody has their treat. Eeyore. Whatever. Mr. Moon, are you joining me for my mukbang? Move, please. Go on. Go on. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I was right. One of the boys had stolen pretty much everyone's treat. Leave her alone. Let her eat her treat. So I had to go back, get everybody's treat, give them to the appropriate dog, and now we can finish eating. But, like I said, I'm going to be doing that yoga challenge here soon. That should be funny because I haven't done yoga in a couple months. So, we'll see how that goes, you guys. I should have got chopsticks so I can show you guys that I know how to use chopsticks. Hey, Eeyore, leave her alone. Your treat's over there. That's the one that stole all the treats to begin with. No. Excuse me again, you guys. Come here. Sit down. I'll get you your treat in a minute. Guys, this is so much food. Like, whew. I'm already getting full. And I haven't even made a dent. I also, when I was younger, didn't know that the egg drop soup had tofu in it. And this is the only thing I'll eat with tofu in it. No offense to you vegans or vegetarians or anybody that eats tofu, but it's disgusting. Or no. Excuse me, guys. Give me just a moment. Okay. Sorry, you guys. Thought you guys will even see that. I'll probably edit all that out. But I'm getting very full. I haven't even taken, one drink of my eggnog? Oh, I'm like super duper full. Whew. Oh, sorry. We went super out of focus. If you guys want to see more baking videos, let me know. If you want to see more mukbangs, sorry. Let me know that too. And give me ideas of what you want to see me eat. Hey, that's not yours. And I'll eat it. Maybe I'll do one with ice cream, because I can down some ice cream, you guys. I'm a fat kid. Whew. This is a lot of food. I'm definitely going to have leftovers. It's really good though, you guys. Like, really, really good. Hey, Mr. Moon. No. Leave them alone. Leave it, Mr. Moon. Sorry guys. Let's clean out some stuff from my teeth. Got stuck. But I don't know, I've just been lazy lately. It's a bad habit. As a kid, I was that one that instead of going outside and play, I'd sit in my room and read. Which is still really good, don't get me wrong. But it made fun of a lazy adult. So it wasn't really that good. I'm not making a mess over here, you guys. Oh. That bite was a little on the spicy side. Moon! Leave him alone! Oh, I think I'm gonna try to eat some of my soup, you guys, because I'm getting full. Getting full, getting full. Sorry, you guys, there's something stuck and it hurts. Oh. Oh. Ow. It was a jalapeno seed. No wonder it hurt. Roy. Royalty. Sorry, I should try to go and take her brother's treat. Here, Roy. He's gonna eat it. Lick it. You want some? Yeah, see? It's good, huh? No, don't lick my finger. You want a princess? Come on, princess, here you go. No. I don't know. I told your grandmas. I think they're going to bring you another one down. Okay? Okay? So I know you're supposed to put these in your 8-drop soup, but I like eating them by themselves. I don't even know what they are. I think they're just the wonton shells fried. That's what I think, at least. So when I was ordering my food, I asked for for 8-drop soup, and the lady was like, "Oh, big," and I was like, "Oh yeah, I did get a lot of food," but I was like, "Yeah," and I laughed, and then she gave me this big old thing of 8-drop soup, and I was like, "Oh dang, alright, whatever." But if anything, I'll just save it for a dinner. You're fine, Rocky. Please stop licking me. I don't like dogs' tongues on me. I don't like tongues in general on my person. I just really like, ugh. I'm weird like that though, you guys. Like, can you please stop? One of the puppies like lost their treat. I don't know where it is. I don't know, I couldn't find it earlier. But she's licking my leg now, like, "Oh, please tell me you have a treat or give me some of your food." But no. This is really, really good, you guys. I'm definitely getting full though. I'm definitely more of a fried rice girl than a lo mein girl. I don't really like lo mein all that much. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great either. But fried rice my shit. Look at that, you guys. Don't that look bomb? I think it looks bomb. So with the whole egg roll thing, I know there's bean sprouts and regular egg rolls too, but I was having meat in there to contrast all the bean sprouts. So it's not that bad. I'm getting really full, you guys. It's insane. I don't know what my next mukbang is going to be. Maybe I'll do Taco Bell or something. I try to stay away from fast food though. It doesn't sit well with my stomach. I'm trying to eat healthier. Get back into shape, so maybe we'll do a workout video this week. Sorry. I hit the table. Whew. I gotta take a second to breathe, you guys. There's a lot of food. What goes into eggnog, you guys? I mean, obviously egg. Probably some cinnamon. Nutmeg. But what else? I mean, milk or cream, something like that. And is eggnog really healthy to drink? Like, you guys, egg. Pretty sure the egg is raw. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know. Oh. It's a lot of food, you guys. I was not expecting to get full so fast. I was like, yeah, I'll be able to eat it all. I don't think I'm going to eat all this, you guys. It was a lot of food. Definitely going to have leftovers. Oh, you know what sounds bomb, you guys? As I'm talking about being full, I tell you guys, you know what sounds bomb. Some sticky rice. I love sticky rice. Mainly for the fact that I can just squish it all together and pop it in my mouth. It's the best. Sticky rice is the best. I don't know if I can eat much more, you guys. That's a lot of food. Teriyaki chicken is bomb though. And a spicy chicken, bomb too. I just gotta watch the jalapenos, like the seeds. Like I said, I got stuck in my tooth and that hurt. Whew. A lot of food. I don't think I'm gonna finish it all, you guys. Do you guys have your holiday shopping done yet? I don't really buy gifts for people because of a couple reasons. One, I'm generally broke. Two, I don't know what people like. And three, sorry guys. Number three, I don't like going shopping, especially around the holidays. It's always packed. There's always chaoticness. Chaos, that's the word I was looking for, sorry. There's always chaos. People are rude during the holidays because they're stressing about the things they gotta get for people. And I'm a procrastinator, so it'd always be last minute, which is even worse. Because then you can never find what people wanted. You gotta deal with all the grumpy people, both workers and people shopping. And it's just way too much. I like to give gifts that mean something. CJ, leave your sister alone. CJ, leave your sissy alone. Go finish your treat, boy. But I don't really like buying things for people. Well, don't get me wrong. I like buying things for people. But I don't only like doing it during the holidays. I like just buying random stuff for people. Like, hey, here you go. I bought this for you. Like, why do I need a holiday to tell me, oh, you should buy people stuff to show them that you love them? Why? Why can't I just show them I love them all the time? That's what I try to do. Whew, you guys, I really don't think I can eat anymore. Whew. I am full. I don't think I could take another bite. Like, legit. Whew. I don't know, you guys. It's a lot of food. I'm gonna keep trying to eat, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, you guys. I think I'm gonna finish this egg roll and call it quits. I can't eat anymore. Whew. I kind of made a dent in my food. Not really. I have so much food. Like, look at this. It's insane. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Tell me what you want to see me do different then. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can watch me do more videos. Also, make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload my videos. I hope everyone has an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If no one else has told you, you guys are loved. Sorry, I still have food in my mouth. Make sure you help somebody else smile, because it will make you smile in return. And most of all, you guys are doing a great job. Catch you in the next video. Peace.